me get a dime, dog. Come on. Let me get a dime, baby. What dime are we talking about? These dimes right here, baby. The Asics and Dime collaboration with the 2160. Oh boy, these are the Hita Nina. It doesn't cost a dime whatsoever, but man, they're fire. And you gotta get your hands on these if you're into collaborations, guys. This collaboration came in hot. Let's take a quick little look at it, and then we'll come with the full assessment. Slow it down right there, guys. I cannot give you the whole information. I'm first gonna start it off with the presentation, because it does have the special collaboration box. The box, guys, is very nice. I'm not gonna lie. It is very nice with this pattern type of thing, like a digital pattern of like a mountain, if you could say it like that, like it was mountains and stuff like that. Guys, once again, I have no idea what it is. It just looks like digital patterns, real nice. And it has the Dime and Asics collaboration right in the middle in chrome. And going to the side of the box, besides the sizing, it just has the same exact thing. It says Asics and Dime for the collaboration, of course, guys, in chrome. Very nice. I love the whole digital thing going on. And just so you guys to know, it is a Japan exclusive right there. You guys see it with all the Japanese letters in the bottom. No English in this one, guys. That's why I guess it's the extra special touch to it. But like I always say, guys, take care of your boxes. You're gonna need them one day. And getting straight into these beauties right here, guys. Like I say, I'm not gonna waste no more time and all this jibber jabber. We'll just get straight to the shoes, and at the end I'll give you my final assessment, what I like, what I don't like. But before we even get into it, you know how I always started off, baby. The materials and the toe box. Starting off in the toe box, the mesh, of course, guys. What more am I gonna say? Asics mesh is on point. Their quality is always on point. But let me get into the depth of it, guys. The mesh on the toe box, very, very nice. And it has this silicone little pattern right there, like on the left side of the sneaker, with a 3M little patch right there, with this nice little engraving on it. It gives you the nice little touch right there. And it is 3M, guys, just to specify, it is 3M. And it also has embossed in the leather in the front of the sneaker in silver, like metallic pewter color. The pewter. As you guys can see right there, yes, it is embossed into the leather with the silver color, the pewterish, with the 3 little lines in silver also. Very nice, and like a shape of like 2 horns, if you want to put it like that. Going into the tongue area, right in the bottom of the tongue, you see the leather right there with the Asics logo in silver. The whole tongue is in mesh, and it does gradient into this like charcoal brown type of color. When it reaches all the way to the end, is a nice sail cream type of mesh all the way in the top. And it has the silicone logo in Asics right there in this nice goldish, it's like a goldish charcoal color, guys. I can't really put a name to it because it's not gold, it's not silver. Just imagine that mixed together. Anyways, you guys get the point. Let's get back to it. The inside of the tongue has the mesh that is the exact same mesh that goes around the ankle collar. Very nice. That is pretty much looks something like the box, the same digital thing of the box. It has that same pattern inside. That is a little detail that I came to realize. Very nice. I like it a lot. In the insole, you see the Dime and Asics collaboration with that line down the middle, and it's like in a dark brown color. Now going into the side of the sneaker, you see that synthetic material, because it is synthetic, guys. It's not leather. It's like a synthetic silicone type material and you see the Asics logo not embossed like the prototypical Asics. This one's not embossed, guys. This one is actually printed on in silver all the way through. And you see the gradient color go from the cream to like a darker cream and that goldish charcoal color that I was mentioning before. You see right there the GT 2160 in silver, very nice. And hitting the back of the sneaker, you see the leather that is pretty much the same color as the mesh, but like it is leather, the tone is a little bit different. That I still think is very nice. It's more throwing into the gray color if you pay attention to it really good. The gel technology on the back of the sneaker, guys, is actually like in a silverish goldish color. It actually does like a chameleon effect. Very nice, not very see-through, just enough to see that gradient color inside. And right on top of the gel technology, you see right there the dime collaboration. That is very nice detail, nice and embossed into the mesh with a thick silicone. It's not gonna come off really easy even if you hit it a couple of times, guys. This is a very good job the way they did this whole sneaker. And the inside of the sneaker is identically the same as the outside. Identically the same, guys. The gradient, everything is identically the same. Now going into the midsole of the shoe, you see the cream color in the top, like in the beginning of the midsole, but you see how it goes into like that dark charcoal gold color, and it starts gradient on that actual midsole, on the rubber part. That right there is cool as hell. And if you pay attention to it really good, it's actually opposite. The top of the sneaker gradients from the cream color all the way to that goldish charcoal color, and the bottom one, it actually the opposite. It gradients from the back, the cream color, and it starts going into that charcoal gold in the front. It's like a vice versa type of thing there, guys. I really like that detail. These are the details that I say that nobody's touching Asics on. So far, they're not touching them at all. And right in the middle of the midsole, you see in gradient also, but this one goes into like a real dark blue color. It's like a real dark, heavy navy blue into an orange. That is the middle shank of the sneaker. Going into the sole of the sneaker, you see, of course, the cream color all the way around it. You see the whole front part in gray and like a darker type of gray. And in the back, you see the gray outline with the cream color all the way through. Cream, get the money. I just can't skip doing that, guys. Now that you see the sneaker and as much details as I could provide, the sneaker is top notch. Very great. I'm gonna come with a whole assessment of it, sizing, quality, the whole shebang, and what do I really think about the whole sneaker, and what's my overall rating on it. When it comes to this sneaker right here, guys, this sneaker is not really much of a luxury sneaker. It gives you the luxury feel, but it doesn't have the luxury materials. This is very sporty shoe. Very different. There is no leather on it. The things are in silicone. Very nice. It's very different, guys. Like I said, even the front right here that I called the leather probably a little earlier, it's not really leather, guys. It's more like a real thick silicone. It's very different. Like I said, it's very different. I really like the way they made this shoe. I love the way they added the dime collaboration right there. It's not like all hidden, you know, that people could know it's an actual collaboration. Let's be realistic about something, guys. If you have a collab sneaker, you want to show off that it is a collab sneaker. Or what's even the point of collecting sneakers? Is the whole point is for you to be able to wear it proudly and be like, yo, bro, I got the Asics and Dime collab. So me personally, I don't mind showing off the collaboration whatsoever. I love it. Like I was saying, it's a super sports shoe. Let's call it like that, the super sports shoe. There's not a lot of luxury on it. Very clean. The color makes it look luxurious, but it's actually very sporty shoe. And the shoe just fell off my hand. Let me get this right back. I articulate a lot, guys. I talk a lot with my hands. I'm Cuban. What do you want me to do about it? I can't. You have to cut off my arm so I won't articulate that much. And another detail, guys, that I like a lot is the actual gradient in the midsole. I love how they added all that color right there, guys, on the outside and even on the inside. I'll give you a little close-up right there so you see it. I love the way they made that look, and I like actually that chameleon color and the little gel technology there. Very nice, very beautiful. I like it a lot. When it comes to sizing now, guys, when it comes to the sizing, I always go half a size up when it comes to Asics. I always go half a size up, and they always fit like a glove. Unless you have an extremely linguini foot or something that... Not trying to make fun of it. I got the linguini foot. I got a super narrow foot, and I still go half a size up. So guys, what can I say? Go half a size up. Just be sure about that. And if your foot is really that narrow, odds are you probably have to go half a size down or something. I don't know. Once again, I'm not a foot doctor over here to tell you how your foot is or not. I'm just going by the general knowledge. And when it comes to comfortability, guys, a solid 9.2 on comfortability level. To me, I've always said that the 2160 is like the sport version of the Cayano, like a little firmer around the edges here and there, more, I don't know, it's a little bit different. The Cayano to me is the ultimate because it has the sport integrated into it with the real cloudiness. This has the sport with the cloudy, but it feels more stiffer when you step. So it's, to me, this is just a little bit more sportier than the Cayano 14. But nevertheless, it's an amazing sneaker, and I recommend it 100%. Dime and Asics killed the game on this one, guys. So get your hands on this just in case you really want them. Get your hands on them. They're going a little high right now, but the more time passes, guys, the higher it's gonna get. Same with the Marvel and Kith collaboration. The prices are skyrocketing, and I'm telling people, get your hands on them before they reach $500, $600, $1,000. You gotta jump on these collabs before they get out of control. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm always wishing you the best, and I love you all. Peace!